Hello students, welcome to standard 9th mathematics paper 2. Up to 8th standard there was only one paper of mathematics. In 9th standard there are two papers. Mathematics subject is for 100 marks, but there are two papers. Paper number 1, mathematics 1, this contains algebra. Second paper, Mathematics 2, this contains geometry. Mathematics 1 is for 50 marks, is 40 marks written paper, 10 marks internal. Similarly, Mathematics 2, 50 marks, 40 marks written paper, 10 marks internal. Okay. This is all about the weightage of the marks of the two papers and the introductory part. Now, in 9th standard in mathematics paper 2, first chapter, basic concepts in geometry. Okay, what are the basic concepts in geometry? Point, line and a plane are the basic concepts in geometry. We do not define numbers. Yes, there is no definition for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 100, 10,000, any number. Yes, because these are the symbols. Number 1 is the symbol. Okay, number 2 is the symbol. Number 500 is the symbol and there is no definition for the numbers. Similarly, we do not define a point, line and a plane. We can understand what a point is, what a line is, what a plane is. Okay, but there is no definition for the point, line and plane. We understand them by symbols as a small dot made by the pen on a paper is a point. Is here it is the line, line L or line AB or line BA. And here it is the figure of the plane. Is lines and planes are sets of points. Now in mathematics paper 1 you might have learned is definition of the sets. So this is what is line. So infinite number of points are there on the line. So set of all these points is a line. Also this is the figure of a this plane surface is a plane, all floor is a plane, blackboard is a plane and infinite number of points are there. So lines and planes are sets of points. Now we'll move to coordinates of points and distance. Okay, in the figure number line is shown. Here it is number 0. On the right hand side positive numbers are there 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and so on. To the left of 0 negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 and so on. Yes, this is what number line. So in the figure number line is shown. Point D on the number line, this point D on the number line denotes number 1. It is said that 1 is the coordinate of the point D. Okay. Yes, now here negative 2 is the coordinate of point C. 5 is the coordinate of point H. So see here, number associated with the point on the number line is the coordinate of that point. See here points are there. Here coordinates are written. Point E coordinate is 3. Point B coordinate is -3. Point A coordinate is -5, etc. We can see the coordinates of the points on the number line. Now, from figure, we see that distance between 2 points D and H is 4. Here it is the point D, here it is the point H. Distance between these 2 points D and H is how much? Is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 units. Okay. So, how to get this? To get the distance between any 2 points on a number line, we have to subtract smaller coordinate from the greater. So 5 minus 1 gives us 4. Okay. So distance DH is equals to 5 minus 1 and that is equals to 4. Distance CE. Here it is C, here it is E. See what is the distance? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So distance between 2 points C and E on the number line is how much? Here 5. So how to get this distance? You have to subtract the smaller coordinate from the greater. -2 is the smaller coordinate, 3 is the greater coordinate. So distance CE is equals to 3 minus -2. This minus and this minus is plus. So 3 plus 2 and that is equal to 5. So distance between 2 points C and E is 5. Distance AH from A to H. If we will measure 1, 2 like this, so from A to H, the distance will be 10 units. This is the smaller coordinate, this is the greater coordinate. To find the distance between these 2 points, you have to subtract the smaller coordinate from the greater. So 5 minus into bracket minus 5 is equals to 5 plus 5, that is equals to 10. So distance AH is equals to 10. Distance AC. AC we have to find. See the distance how much? 1, 2, 3. 3 units. Now see here, -2 is the greater coordinate and -5 is the smaller coordinate. So distance AC is equals to -2 the greater coordinate minus -5 is the smaller coordinate. This minus and this minus is plus. So -2 plus 5 is equals to 3. Thus, to find distance between any 2 points on number line, subtract the smaller coordinate from the greater. Okay. Distance between 2 distinct points is always a positive number. See here, distance is 4, 5, 10, 3. So distance between 2 distinct points is always a positive number. Also, if the 2 points are not distinct, they are not different, then distance between them is 0. Okay, this is the introductory part of the first lesson, basic concepts in geometry.